I make custom fight sticks. This one here is a 4 foot by 7.5 inches long, or 4 by 8. This is a Crown 303N. They're from Korea. Bought this at Focus Attack. This thing's great. These are Suzo hop buttons. You can either have these or Sanwa buttons if you're more comfortable. Works pretty good. Kind of hard to do this with two hands. Let's see. There we go. See again. And I make custom wood arcade stick. A lot of people are getting tired of plastic, overpriced arcade control panels or fight sticks, as you may refer to them. And over here, I call this the 1940s bread box. This is a Sanwa arcade stick, Sanwa buttons, 30 millimeters. That's their default size. Start, select, home. And this here's the 4x8, the same thing. Just had to make it a little longer. And you have your start and select buttons in the back. Wait for this thing to focus. Here we go. That's better. And over here, it's one I'm working on at the present moment, waiting for the parts to come in. The gun stock finish. I don't know whether to leave it matte or put a shine on it. I haven't really decided yet. And see over here, same thing, 4x8. I have a smaller size. This is done by a 1x3. Sanwa buttons. Korean stick. And over here, this is the big monster of them all. You can either use Sanwa or Suzo hop. So these buttons, these holes will either take the 30 millimeter Sanwa or the 28 Suzo hops. Got your action buttons, your start, home, and guide. Your 35 millimeter diameter for your crown stick, or if you want to put in, you can drill additional holes if you want and put in a Sanwa stick. People seem to like crown a lot lately. Anyhow, this is see, back to this. These things work pretty good. It's just nice to have something out of wood for a change versus plastic or aluminum.